Hi there, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to enhance your Shopify product card design. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click Online Store. Just click it. The Themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Select Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. In Filter Files, search for base.cs. You'll see a file named base.cs. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, hit enter to add a new line. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link's in the description. Let's look at the code we'll use. Here's all the code we'll be using. Find the copy button. Click it. The script will be copied. Back in Shopify, paste the code in the blank line. Paste all this code. It'll change product cards and price colors. It'll change price colors for both regular and discounted prices. You can modify colors using this code here. Check color codes on HTML Color Codes website. I'll keep the default, not changing anything. Next, look for the Save button on the top right. After clicking, changes are saved successfully. Now, when you access your store, you'll see the product card has been successfully updated. The design looks much better now. As you can see, the products are rounded with added shadows and borders. This works for both product and category pages. It's also visible in recommended products when viewing an item. All pages have been updated, improving part of your Shopify store. I hope this video was helpful. Bye.